Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're having a look at what the free tier is with AWS and why you need it. So, what is the free tier with AWS? To use AWS at all, you need to have a subscription, and usually you need to pay for this subscription because that's how AWS makes money and stays in business. But they actually have a really generous and awesome free tier which you can use for training, for learning, and to get started in AWS. So there's three different types of AWS free tiers that are available. We have the services free for 12 months. Then we have services that are always free, but with some sort of limitation on them. And then we have services that have a free trial period. So these are ones that are only available free for a certain amount of time. So not the whole time, just a shorter time. Some other free goodies that come with the AWS free tier is things like 12 months of free storage with Amazon S3 and free computing with Amazon EC2. So, how will we use this in the course? Well, we want to stay within the free limits as much as we can. So, it's important that we take some precautions to make sure we don't go and spend money that we're not planning on spending. We'll be setting up some spending alerts so that we can avoid any unexpected charges so that we can keep it actually what we're spending. And the course is actually going to guide you in how you can create your free tier account and set up these pricing alerts. If you're curious about what other free services are available that you can try out, then just make sure you go and check out the aws.com/free to have a good browse at all the different free services that are available for you to have a play around with. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.